Hello, good morning, family. I hope you're all doing well. So, I've had questions come through to me and I thought I will address it. So, the question is, would I rather advise a foreign national who visits South Africa to do or bring a waiver application in the event that they want to be able to study in South Africa? Or, on the other hand, would I opt to advise them to go back home and apply for a study visa? Both of these questions, the answers could go either way. There's nothing that would hold a visitor's visa applicants to bring a waiver application to apply for a waiver, and then once it is granted, bear in mind I said once it is granted means that there's a possibility you may not be granted the waiver, which could lead to your overstay and an overstay ban of 5 years. So only once it is granted in a positive manner can you then use it to apply for your student visa application. However, if you enter South Africa on a visitor's visa or on the stamp that allows you entry to be valid in South Africa, yes, equally, you are a tourist, you are a visitor. The question is, if you want to study here and you've been able to do your application and received your permits, then the issue is, should you go back and apply from home? Yes, when I look at both pros and cons that accompany any of these two options, I would advise you to go home and apply for the study visa from home. Unless there are serious consequences or unless it is so impossible for you to go back home, I wouldn't advise in the current terrain that we are in now, because there's a lot of uncertainty when it comes to waiver applications. The delay that it takes for you to even acquire a waiver and for you to enable and for that waiver letter to allow or assist you to bring a study visa, there's a lot of uncertainty around that, and I would advise that if you are looking at trying to proceed quickly with such an application, then that first option would not be the best option for you as a foreign national who wants to come and study here. So enjoy your visit, enjoy your stay, do not overstay. Take all your registered and acceptance letters. You can also start with your medical aid, which would be an annual subscription, and then you go back home and then you apply for home. Make sure you've gone through all the requirements that would increase your chances to succeed with your student visa application. Have a good afternoon.